Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony here today. Today's video, I know I haven't been posting for last week. Just been busy. It's been 2 weeks and again busy. You know, always trying to catch up on things, always. But I'm just gonna be updating you guys on chicks. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 batch of chicks and roughly about 65 chicks. Anyways, a lot of chicks are hatching, and I was just thinking about it. If they grow up and they start getting aggressive towards each other, I'm gonna have to start rehoming them. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to start rehoming my older roosters. I know a lot of you guys have been asking if I have any roosters that I'm gonna be rehoming or any pair. Just to put it out there, my hens and my pullets from 2020, it didn't go so well. 2020 wasn't such a good year for me. Pretty much the video today, all the hens that I'm going over, that's pretty much all of them. That's all I have, just my older hens. So just to answer you guys' question, if I'm gonna have pairs for rehoming, probably not. But roosters, maybe. You know, I have these, if they make it to a year and they're still here, they're my top selections. Okay, so they're my top selections. I'm probably gonna be rehoming them for the low. Let's just say that, for the low, because I'm running out of room. Like I said, 65 chicks. We're gonna be going over them. We're gonna be looking at them. There's a lot, and once the rooster starts getting aggressive with each other, I'm gonna be out of room. So anyways, just as you guys, I'm updating on you guys. I'm updating myself too, because I haven't seen them for 2 weeks. So let's get started. Let's start right here. So right here, this batch is with my brew. I cannot speak today. Blue rooster. I'm gonna turn it around for now. Blue rooster with my Opakwe hen. So this batch, they're a little bigger. They're gonna be full size. There was a lot of hens with the blue rooster in this batch, so it's a mix. It's a mixture of hens, bloodlines, but for sure they're all half brother and sisters, or brother and sisters. Who knows? Only way to find out is let them grow. So that's number 1. Number 2. This is one of my older F1 hens. She's with the blue rooster also. About 7 chicks. Yeah, so these are probably gonna be pretty big, probably 4 pounds. I noticed that I really like the 4 pound range. The structure, overall, I just like the 4 pound, I cannot speak, 4 pounds more. So I'll show you guys my 4 pounders in a bit. This is the LHK wannabe batch. They came out a lot blue because the dad and the mom carries blue. So they're gonna be blue with the spingled looking, but who knows? You know, they're gonna be spingled. They're gonna be nice. So there's those. What's really cool is these 2. That's the grandpa's batch. That's the son's batch. They both are blue. They both could cross over mothers, and mothers wouldn't care. You don't see that often, because most likely hens are overprotective with their chicks, babies. So if one goes over there, they will attack it and possibly kill it. This is the blackjack hen. So these are crossed with blackjack and airbenders. And they do airbenders, they do carry the LHK looking. So hoping that I get some 8-pounders that look like that. These are probably going to be 4-pounders. These are going to be 8-pounders, just the difference. Alright, so that's batch number 3 and 4. Close this up real quick. We'll come back to this. Here in this batch is a batch that I've been waiting for. I haven't seen because I've been busy. Just like I said, I've been catching up just as you guys are. I don't know how many hatched, how many are here, but they look fascinating. They look different. They got the white. They're the white, but then their head is kind of like a what would you say, that tangerine color? So this hen, I borrowed it from a good friend just for this batch, and really impressive. The dad is white. It's my wannabe WD white dragon, and they look pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. So this was batch number, what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Alright, so I'm not gonna open the... Let's hope she... Oh, well, anyways. I don't like to start her. This is my old hen. She usually gets up around when you open it. But, anyways. So those are a total of 10. And there's 5 left. The reason being was because, I'll show you the nest in a bit. The nest was up high, and I'm pretty sure the chicks got hungry and curious. They jumped out, couldn't get back in, was too cold, they didn't make it. 5 of them did that. And I'm left with 5, so I mean, I'll work with what I got. But it wasn't because of mites. Mites isn't an issue because that's the #1 priority when it comes to chicks and hens and nestings, because it could get pretty bad if you don't take care of it. So it wasn't because of that, but there's 5 right there. And then this one. This batch is gonna be big. It's with my blue rooster. I have not seen this batch yet. So the batch with my the one that my buddy gave me, the hen, to borrow, and this batch I have not seen because I haven't been out here for 2 weeks. Crazy but true. So this batch is with my blue rooster again. Yes, I'm full on breeding him. It's with my blue rooster. They're gonna be probably around 7 pounds. So yeah. It's cold. I don't know how many are there, but they're gonna be awesome. So unfortunately, the audio wasn't recording right here. So basically what I was talking about is why I prefer being a 3 to 4 pound birds. Excuse me. Overall, the bird is slightly bigger, of course, and the whole purpose of breeding these little guys is to get to smaller sizes, right? However, where I'm at right now, I'm satisfied with the overall bird, you know? When someone says the bird is very proportional, we never go into detail of why is it being proportional. So it was just me giving my thoughts about it. And when it's about proportional, they're pretty much talking about the legs, the body length, the tails, and the neck and head. Because as you guys know, I breed a lot of asil, which is short and stocky, right? However, breeding them into Thai birds or Thai, they become taller, so it balances out their length and body, wings, leg, and tail overall, you know? So this is just me overall talking about how a F1 bird being 4 pounds is my liking, and it's very suitable for me. As right here I will be talking about that, how a 4 pound is really good for an adult, you know, who wants miniatures. Of course it's a little bigger for children's, but for an adult it's the perfect size. You know, it fits your hand. It's a lot smaller than your usual 7 to 8 pound birds. And overall, you know, it's just imitating a giant bird into something that is small and you're able to keep in your yard. So that's just my little thought about it. Sadly, fortunately, the audio wasn't recording, so this will have to do it. And I'm gonna be doing a size comparison coming up in the next clip. Alright, here is my little guy. I don't have time to handle him much, so he's still wild. This is my little guy. Bring you guys over here. So, right now he's not 2 pounds yet, he's 1 pound. And so half pound, 1.5, so he's 4 pounds. So yeah, and his color, his tail is fascinating, eye-catchy. To be really honest, my dad and I was really thinking about posting him up if anybody was interested in him. But luckily, I told my dad, be patient with him. He's gonna look nice. He's gonna have the white tail. He's gonna have a little different color in this smaller sizes, you know, in the Bantam. And which he did. He has a lot more of a slimmer thigh feature, because his dad is a lot more thigh than Issa and Shamo and whatnot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, that's right. Before that, let's go see this. I was gonna show you guys the nest. Well, again, anyways, this is my WD hen. That's my wannabe WD. He's 4 pounders. He's a little big. He's Bruce Lee's brother, if you guys remember him. Anyways, so the nest was higher up like that. There's a mouse hole. That's not good. Anyway, sidetrack. This was the nest for my old hen with the 5 chicks and the other 5 that died. It's up high like that, and I don't know for what reason how they got out. You know, there's like a little dip in there, but again, they probably got curious and came out to explore. And sadly, it was too cold. It's not spring or summer yet. It's still it was in the morning, and the 5 passed away. So I'll keep a better lookout on her. She's a little bigger, so hopefully she covers up the whole entrance of the nest. But anyways, alright, let's close this before she comes out. No. Alright, lock this up. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of just a lot of chicks and a lot of roosters. So drop a like, drop a subscribe. Again, every Saturday there's going to be a new video. New tips, new ideas, new updates, all of that. Going to be started doing giveaways, just products that I tried out, all of that, you know. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always what?